Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bean dip with pinto beans. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You will need one 15-ounce can of pinto beans, rinsed and drained. Also, prepare 1 small garlic clove minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Finally, have half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper ready. Now let's get to blending. Carefully add your rinsed pinto beans, minced garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, ground coriander, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper into a food processor. To help achieve the perfect texture, add 2 tablespoons of water. Process these ingredients until the mixture is very smooth, which usually takes about 1 minute. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl as necessary to ensure everything is fully incorporated. Once your dip is smooth, it's time to perfect the flavor. Season the bean dip with salt and pepper to your liking, stirring well to combine. Next, transfer the creamy dip into a nice serving bowl. For an extra touch of presentation and flavor, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of smoked paprika and a small drizzle of olive oil. This delicious pinto bean dip is now ready to be served warm with tortilla chips or fresh-cut vegetables. If you have any delicious bean dip left over, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you're ready to enjoy it again, you can gently reheat it in the microwave or on the stovetop over low heat. This dip is perfect as a quick snack or a flavorful, healthy alternative to traditional refried beans. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade pinto bean dip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.